In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently set up guides in Canva, ensuring all your design elements are perfectly aligned and organized. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, guides can be a valuable tool to streamline and enhance your workflow. First off, you'll want to start by opening your Canva project. If you're new to Canva, navigating the platform can sometimes be a bit daunting, but don't worry, we're going to guide you through this process step by step. Once you're in your project, you'll notice a variety of tools and options at your disposal, designed to help bring your creative vision to life. Now let's move on to setting up your guides. This is a crucial step that not only aids in keeping your design elements neatly aligned, but also ensures a professional and clean final product. In the menu bar at the top of your screen, you'll see an option labeled File. Go ahead and give that a click. Opening this menu will present you with several options, so be sure to select Settings from the drop-down list. In the Settings menu, you'll find the Add Guides option. Click on that, and you'll be given a choice to add 12 columns, 3 columns, or even have the ability to customize your own guide setup according to your specific design needs. Choosing the right number of columns can greatly depend on what you're working on. For instance, if you're dealing with a design that requires more precision, going with the 12-column grid might make aligning elements easier and more efficient. On the other hand, a simpler design might only require 3 columns. One of the fantastic things about Canva is this ability to customize. If the default options don't completely suit your needs, feel free to experiment and adjust the columns manually until you find what works best for your project. Custom guides can offer you the flexibility to cater to unique design requirements, making sure every line, text, and image aligns perfectly. And just like that, you're done. With these guides in place, aligning elements on your canvas becomes a breeze. This tool can significantly improve not just the aesthetics of your design, but also the efficiency of your creative process. You'll likely find that this approach not only enhances your design's appearance, but also saves you time in the long run. So there you have it, a straightforward way to add guides to your Canva project. Implementing guides is a simple yet effective method to polish your designs and ensure everything looks just right. Thanks for joining in, and we hope these tips help elevate your Canva projects. Happy designing!